Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Machine learning techniques for image classification.
Deep learning methods like CNN-based methods, RBM-based methods, and autoencoder-based methods, sparse coding methods. CNN-based methods select SNET, clarify 50 to 60 layers, SPP 26 layers, BGG 31, Google Net 2. Then RBM-based methods, deep belief networks, deep Boltzmann machines, deep energy methods. Autoencoder based methods, sparse encoder, denoising encoder, contractive encoder, sparse coding based methods, sparse coding SPM, Laplacian sparse coding, local coordinate coding, super vector coding. So these are the mathematical formulas we are using: multiply rule, power rule, sum rule, differential rule, product rule, quotient. So these are the four models I have explained. So convolutional neural network is a type of artificial neural network, especially used in image classification, image recognition, and face recognition, biometric image applications, and the processing that is specifically to process pixel data. Then RNN are type of neural network where the output from the previous step is fed as input to the current step. RNNs are mainly used for sequence classification, sentiment classification, and video classification. Sequence labeling for speech and name entity recognition. LSTM. Long short-term memory. It is an artificial recurrent neural network architecture used in the field of deep learning. LSTM networks are well suited to classifying, processing, and making predictions based on time series data. Since there can be lags of unknown duration between important events in a time series. Yeah. Generative adversarial network, especially we are using GANs in how your face changes over the period. In childhood days, how you are looking after 5 years, how you are looking after 15 years, how you are looking, how your face changes over the period. Such type of applications we are developing with help of GAN, generative adversarial networks. Very important. It is a machine learning model in which two neural networks compete with each other to become more accurate in their predictions. GANs typically run unsupervised and use cooperative zero-sum game framework to learn. So these are the top 10 deep learning tools we are using. TensorFlow, I have already described about TensorFlow. Is a deep learning concept tool. One of the best frameworks. TensorFlow is used for natural language processing, text classification and summarization, speech recognition and translation, and more. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, most effective for image, speech, and text-based data. MCTK supports both CNN, and RNN. Cafe, one of the deep learning tools built for scale, and Cafe helps machines to track speed, modularity, and expression. Then China, Keras, deep learning project. Keras is a framework that can learn both CNN and RNN. Keras is a problem choice for me. And deep learning project is also one of the popular choice. Deep learning code libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Sparky, Maximum. See here, we are using Beyond Deep Learning 4J ML.NET. Heat, Piano, Microsoft CLDK. Next, why this Python is so popular? Because of rich number of libraries are presented, especially TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, Piano, they are using, and that's why it is so popular. So what are the applications of deep learning? We are using instant visual translation, predicting the future values, chatbot applications, medical care applications, self-driving cars, read link movements, colorizing the images, photo descriptions, deep learning, deep dreaming, and advertising. So these are the latest best applications that used in especially autonomous vehicles. Now even Google, Microsoft, IBM, they have started to perform autonomous vehicles. Tesla, Waymo already in the trial period, scheme already to the market. Polyb, Noise, Grammarly, Berlin, Meridian, Turela Brain, Euro Eyes, Wavename, 6X, Toby, AI. So these are the top 10 fascinating applications. This is self-driving cars. They are using deep learning concepts. Automatic handwriting generation, pixel restoration, and the colorization of black and white images, deep dreaming, detection of growth delays in children, demographic prediction, sound addiction to silent films, news aggregation, automatic vision transmission. So these are few more applications. These are the applications I have explained. And the most useful deep learning tools like Neural Designer H2O, Deep Learning in Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, Keras, These are the top 10 open source deep learning tools. Anomaly, fraud detection in transaction, LSTM, automatic image caption, recognition, generation, CNN, speech, paid users get voice, RSFM, autism spectrum, disorder in kids, Google Assistant, voice or keyboard, voice and keyboard virtual, machine learning, kit-based vague identification. So these are the top 10 tools I have got.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Developed by one of the company called TensorFlow organization, open source deep learning framework for the development of machine learning and deep learning models, founded on November 9. Then Keras, then PyTorch, OpenML, Microsoft Word, CMPK, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, Apache Mapping, Determining Kit, and Deep Learning 4J, and .NET, Played ML,